y'all, here I am. We got Chevy. Well, I call it box Chevy. Y'all made me say why I call it box Chevy, because it's in boxes. That came in boxes. That came in boxes. This stuff didn't come in a box, but I got it. But this is where we're going with this. Letting you see what I see. To be continued. One step at a time. We gotta go from the ground up. We over here in the Bat Cave, and so if you don't know, well, it ain't for you to know. But we're getting closer to the starting point. So we got every trip starts from somewhere. So this is where my trip starts at. We got doors, we got quarter panels, we got floor pans, we got trunk shelves, fender well humps, floor pan, logwood, I see you. And you know, that's where we at with it. My man said, hey, we're gonna make it happen, so got the parts, show me something. That's all I gotta say. Hey, part 2 of Chef Part 3. The underbelly is done now. Yeah, he looking real brand newish. I'm telling you. Rodney, what you thinking, man?
Man, coming together.
Oh yeah,
Coming together.
little by little, step by step.
Step.
You know, Tupac would always say, picture me rolling. That's all I got to say. I'm gonna back up so you can see me. Do you see me now? Do you see me now? Hey y'all, look we got here. Box Chevy coming to life. Little by little, step by step. I know you see. I know you see. Yeah. Say, Joe, what's the next step, Joe? Talk to me. What's the next? Doing some body work, put it on frame, do some body work? Yeah. Okay. Y'all heard the man. I can't show y'all the man because I'm in a spot y'all need to know about. But yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, so, you know, the man keep busy. You see over here. Yeah, over here, suspension, rework the hole underneath the car. Okay. We got to go. So many things go on over here at Money Stereo Installation that I don't show everything, but I do a few things. Box Chevy, getting ready to go. So yeah, this has been sitting in the back. So many different changes that's going along the way, but yeah, my man said, hey man, I got the underneath for the car prep for you. I need that frame now so he can put the body on it and start doing his body work. So, you know, my thing is me versus me. And so I'm not in competition with nobody. I'm not trying to outdo nobody. It's just me versus me. And this is what I'm doing, you know, to do it better than what I did it before, because I've gained experience along the way of what to do. Now, there's a whole bunch of things about this that I've seen, you know, that I've seen other people do, which are styles I like. So I'm just saying I'm doing it to the best of my abilities. So that's all I can tell you guys, the best of my abilities. Well, today is frame day. You know, and give thanks to my man Tank, who told me, boy, you can do that. So I made it happen. And as when I had that leak right there, he showed me what to do about that. And so I was like, you know, okay, cool. I ain't taking all the credit. Who do I want to thank today? Me. That's who. Me. That's who. Box Chevy. A work in progress. Hey. Moving on up like the Jeffersons. Come on, man, come on, man.